Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at IMAX. This is ticker IMAX. And while the rest of the market is down and closing near the lows for the day, IMAX is trying to break out here and doing it on decent volume. Now, they did have a positive earnings report in late October. The stock consolidated above all the key moving averages. And like I said, while the market has been breaking down, this stock is breaking out. So I definitely like this relative strength here on IMAX. And if I zoom out here, you can see the stock is hitting almost new all-time highs. It's hitting highs that it hasn't been at since 2017. So I definitely like the fact that this is near the highs while the market is kind of weak and breaking down. So keep an eye on IMAX. I would either look for a pullback bounce to the 8-day exponential, which has been a pretty clear buy zone the last couple of days, or set an alert just above today's intraday high at around 34.50 and look for a momentum move above 34.50 coming on good volume. Now, you are chasing this stock a bit, but I think it's certainly one to watch with the high definition relative strength here compared to a lot of other stocks in the market. So keep an eye on IMAX. It's one that we're watching at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. I'll see you next time.